welcome back to my channel. This video is just going to be short. It's an introduction. Last year I bought a CVA Frontier rifle in a kit form that had not been completed. It had not even been assembled correctly. Unfortunately, I have lost that video showing you the rifle in its virgin stage and tearing it down and disassembling it for you. So this is just an introduction video to the following videos that are coming. I'm going to complete this rifle, do some carvings and inlay work on this rifle, and try to show you my process and how I did it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. Question, comment. I look forward to everybody's input, and I really hope that you enjoy the following videos. Now, that rifle was a bone stock rifle, strictly built for muzzleloading hunting before inlines came into play. So enjoy this video, enjoy what I've done with it. Thank you.
Completion.